Hello friends, welcome to Upmetrics AI. In this video, I walk you through the steps of creating a comprehensive dropshipping business plan. We will begin by defining a business profile of our dropshipping business and providing essential details so that our AI will learn more about our business idea. Then, we will ask our AI to draft a business plan for us based on the information that we just provided. After we have drafted a plan, I will guide you on how you can customize and give a personalized touch to your business plan. Let's jump right in. We will create a new workspace for our dropshipping startup called Tech Trends. Let me tell you, Workspace in Upmetrics is a set of business planning tools like Business Plan Builder, Financial Projection Tool, Pitch Deck Builder, and set of strategic planning models like Business Model Canvas, Lean Canvas, Value Proposition Canvas, and so many different strategic planning templates that you can access within this workspace. So, you can upload your business logo over here. Now, we are going to add some brief about our business idea and add some essential details about our business. Let's say how we are going to generate revenue, what products and services we are going to sell, etc. Those kinds of details we are going to add here. So let's start with filling out all these step-by-step details. Let's start with, what does our business do? Here, add a brief description of your business idea. Let's say I, John Doe, along with my partner Jan Doe, am planning to launch a dropshipping business called Tech Trends based in Austin, Texas. Tech Trends will focus on the latest consumer electronics and providing gadgets like smartphones, smartwatches, and accessories directly from manufacturing to consumer at competitive prices, etc. Now, the next one is, what's your business tagline? If you have any tagline, you may enter it over here. Otherwise, you can use our AI assistant. We are selecting a tagline from the AI suggestions. Moving ahead about Tech Trends, selecting other details like what industry our dropshipping business will align into. It's a retail and e-commerce business, so choose that. Next, is this company currently in operation? No, of course, this company is in yet idea stage. Next, country and currency setup. We are operating from the US, so no need to change anything over here. Moving ahead. What is your current funding situation? We are a bootstrap business. Are you looking for funding for your startup? Yes, we are looking for some funding. Let's say we are looking for $20,000 of funding. What is the purpose of business planning? We are building a business plan to seek an investment. Moving ahead, now here, AI will generate the questions for us. We have already entered some basics around our business idea. Based on all those details, it will generate a set of questions specific to our business idea. Let's see what it will generate. We need to answer all those questions, and based on our answers, our AI will learn more about our business idea, and based on those answers, it will help you to generate the whole comprehensive business plan for us. So here, AI generated 12 questions. Okay, so first, what is the core mission of your business? So here you can write the mission of your business, but we are going to use AI-generated answers. You can always customize, and you can always personalize this answer however you want. We are using AI-generated answers to quickly move forward. Okay, so we have answered all 12 questions. Okay, now here you can invite your colleagues, your team members, and your mentors. You can invite up to 5 team members over here. You all together can do business planning within this workspace. Moving forward, now we will ask AI to generate a business plan for us. We added all the essential details. We even answered questionnaires that were generated by our Upmetrics AI. Now, we ask AI to generate a business plan for us. Let me tell you, this is a business plan builder interface. Left sidebar, you will find a set of graphical elements that you can embed into your business plan. On the right sidebar is a navigation bar for a business plan outline. You can find it here, you can navigate through this outline. Okay, so it has written our business plan, and let's see. What has been written in our executive summary? Tech Trends is an innovative dropshipping business focused on providing the latest consumer electronics at competitive pricing. Our mission is to empower consumers by making cutting-edge technology accessible to all, eliminating the high retail markups that often burden average users, etc. Now, you can always customize, rewrite, or improve this content however you want. You can take the help of our AI writing assistants that will help you to auto-write, auto-improve, shorten, expand, or even you can set the professional or persuasive tone to your content. Even you can translate this content into various languages. Let's see what has been written in our company overview section. Tech Trends is a retail e-commerce business founded by John Doe and Jane Doe. It focused on delivering the latest consumer electronics and accessible pricing based in Austin, Texas, etc. This includes all the details that we answered in our brief questions. It has been mentioned in a paragraphic way over here. Now, also, you'll find some graphical elements that have been added over here, Sout. You can always customize these sections. Now, going ahead with the market analysis section. Here, it has added a market size chart. You can market research for your business, and you can have your own market size data and fill out this chart. So you'll have your own actual market size chart for your dropshipping business. Now, let's say you want to do a SWOT analysis for your dropshipping business. Simply just drag and drop a SWOT analysis section from here in your business plan. Use our AI writing assistants and write a quick prompt over here. Let's say I am writing a SWOT analysis for my business. Please write a strength section in a very brief and listicle way. Simply do auto-write. It will write a strength section for your dropshipping business. Use this content further for your SWOT analysis template. This is how you can write your graphical elements. You can pull all these graphical elements and templates from the left sidebar to write your aesthetically looking business plan. Now, going ahead to a financial section. Now, we are seeing all these figures as zero. This is because we haven't yet set up a financial planning tool. Your financial setup is yet incomplete. We need to first set up the financial forecasting tool. Let's do it. Begin with Forecast starts from date. We need to select from where we are going to do our planning. We are going to start our business plan in January 2024, and we are going to do this business plan for the next 3 years. Our fiscal year will start in January. Going ahead. Okay, so this has initialized our financial modeling tool. Here we need to add our assumption for revenue, cost of sales, expenses, salaries, personal funding, and assets. To start with adding revenue, we will ask the AI assistant to suggest some revenue streams for our dropshipping business. It will suggest some revenue streams that we can sell as a dropshipping business that we can use to forecast. For our Tech Trends business, we are selling electronics. We are going to sell 1,000 units a month. Our average order value would be $150. Based on our sales and marketing, we are expecting our growth, 2% monthly growth. We are expecting we will start our sales from July. However, our business planning is getting started in January, but our sales will start in July. That is because we need a few months, like, let's say it will take some time to set up the operations, set up an office, set up workspaces, and setting a business so sales will be started in July. So it has been forecasted our revenue like $150,000 in July and $153,000 in month of August. Now going ahead, adding the cost of sales data. For the cost of sales, we are purchasing inventory and products. So that will be 70% of our revenue goes to purchasing product inventory. Now we will ask AI to suggest some expenses around our dropshipping business. Let's see what it suggests. So let's select digital advertising, shipping costs, and web hosting from the AI suggestions. For digital advertising, we are spending monthly $1,500. For web hosting, let's say we are spending some $2,000 a month on web hosting. Next, salaries and wages. We'll ask AI to suggest what executive we need to have for this business. Let's select the general manager, sales representatives, and marketing manager from the AI suggestions. For general manager, we will pay a $5,000 salary with a 10% increment year on year. For a sales representative, we are providing $3,500 in salary with a 10% year-on-year increment. For the marketing manager, here we are providing a $4,500 monthly salary with a 10% year-on-year increment. Now, we are going to add funding. Let's add a bank loan. We are seeking a bank loan of $20,000. We are taking a small business loan for 24 months with 12% yearly interest. So we are done with adding a loan. Now let's add assets. For our dropshipping business, we are going to purchase some computer and printer accessories. Let's say we are spending $10,000 on these assets with a salvage value of 50% after 3 years. So it will calculate depreciation automatically. Okay, so now we have added all the necessary financial components like revenue, cost of sales, expenses, funding, assets, salaries, and wages. Now it's time to see what financial metrics it will display on our dashboard. Okay, so it has calculated cash in, cash out, and net cash, and even it has calculated how much funding we are required in 2024 in order to start our business. We're going to start selling in July, so it has been calculated that we will be profitable by October 2024. Our business will be profitable within the first year only. Now it has also calculated some key reports like profit and loss, balance sheet, cash flow, break-even, and ratio analysis. Now, going back to our business plan and looking into our financial chapter to see what does it looks like. Okay, so it shows all the financial figures. The data is shown over here. So now, let's say if you want to display some financial charts in your business plan, you can simply drag and drop them into your business plan. Let's say if you want to display a break-even chart in your business plan, simply drag and drop it from the left sidebar. You don't have to worry about entering data or calculating any data over here. It will pull the data from your financial module automatically. Okay, So now we are done with preparing a comprehensive business plan within minutes using Upmetrics AI. Now it's time to design a cover page. We are providing options to design cover pages. Also, you can choose a color for your brand, and you can upload your brand logo as well. You can download your business plan in PDF or Word format. You can share your business plan online with banks and investors using a link. Now we just created a business plan for your dropshipping business. Remember, this is just a blueprint for your foundation. With Upmetrics, you can refine your forecasts, tailor your strategies, and adapt your plan to meet the demands of your target market. Try Upmetrics to create your business plan today. Join us in our next video for more such business planning tips and strategies for your dropshipping business startup. Till now, thank you. Goodbye.